Buddy Michelle Jacobic from Prosperity After Divorce here, back with some additional tips for you. I want to talk about some of the things that you must know before signing a divorce settlement. The first thing that you need to be aware of is who is on your team. The role of attorney at law and mediator are often misunderstood when it comes to divorce proceedings. An attorney's only job is to settle the dispute and ensure that both parties receive what they either legally are entitled to or what they agreed upon. A mediator, on the other hand, plays the role of a neutral third party and has no power to make or enforce decisions. Your attorney or your mediator will actually review your finances, but they generally look at the information provided to them. They are not required to do a professional and thorough analysis of your personal financial situation, your lost earning potential, or your settlement options. That is why you need an expert financial analyst on your team who will watch out for the common pitfalls and traps in the system. So let me talk about what a certified divorce financial analyst does. We actually analyze the data and provide expertise on the financial aspects of the divorce in order to empower you, the client, to make more educated decisions throughout the divorce proceedings. A CDFA, such as myself, will help you understand how the decisions that you make today will impact not only your short-term, but also your long-term financial future. This actually includes the details of all tax liabilities and consequences of various settlement proposals that are being brought to the table. Only when you have all of the information about how different choices impact you will you actually feel confident about not only the short term, but about your financial situation and how you're going to get yourself from now until retirement. So I think that the role of CDFA is super important when you're trying to figure out how to move yourself through this process of divorce. If you'd like more information on how you can work with me as a certified divorce financial analyst and the services and support that I provide, you can visit my website link below.